Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I think I went a little too much overboard with the TOEFL video, so here is something different for a change. This video is an update video on when exactly the US visa slots will be open for fall 24. I am personally keeping a closer look on the visa slot opening, and based on the data from the last intakes and research that I have done, I will give you the exact dates when to expect the openings. Just give me 5 minutes of your time and I will explain it to you. So without any further ado, let's get to the video. As many of you know, securing a visa appointment for United States can be quite a challenging task due to its high demand and limited availability of slots. But worry not, because in this video I will update you with all the latest developments regarding the US visas. Just recently, there has been some significant updates regarding US visa availability. The US Embassy has announced additional slots for various visa categories, including tourist visas, student visa, work visas, and more. But we will be talking only about the student visa. So take a look at this video posted by the embassy.
इसलिए हम सबसे पहले उन छात्रों को अवसर देंगे जो अपने पहले इंटरव्यू के लिए आना चाहते हैं, और बाद में बाकी समय उन छात्रों को देंगे जो अपने दूसरे इंटरव्यू के लिए आना चाहते हैं. For this reason, appointments for previously refused students may be limited. You can expect those appointments to take place in August, with appointments opening in the scheduling system in the preceding week.
And this video is a sweet confirmation that slots are around the corner. They might be released as early as possible. Be the first to know and secure your appointments hassle-free by following me on Instagram for the latest slot opening updates, and if you are following me, you will be receiving them through my stories. Okay, for your knowledge, there has not been any student visa opening since November 17, 2023, where the slots open for December, and previous to that, slots open on October 11, 2023, and those open for November and December. So looking at that, we can say that slots for fall 24 might open in the month of May and June, which is after the summer intake, and the rejection slots opening in the month of June only, not earlier than that. We are not expecting any major visa slots opening for the summer intake, as it is a weaker intake as compared to fall and spring, which are stronger intakes with much students going to US for studies. The minor slot opening for summer intakes can be announced by the end of this month, which is March or mid-April. My advice for fall 24 is to stay prepared with your documents. You need them for your visa, such as I-20, DS-24, and your financial support documents. Although you can book your visa slots without I-20, but having it is recommended. Also stay ready, because the visa slots are exclusive as they come. You blink and you might just miss them. We are talking 10 to 15 minutes of opportunity only before they are snapped. But that's not all. Remember the days when we had frequent slot openings back in 2022 and 23? Refer to the Excel sheet in the description for previous slot opening dates. As those days are gone, the embassy has confirmed that they are limiting the slot openings. Just take a look at this video.
Now, we're proud to say that we issued more than 140,000 student visas in 2023. Now, that's more than any other country in the world. So to process so many applications efficiently, our team focuses on student visas during a few discrete seasons of the year. Now, this year's major student visa season will take place between mid-May and August, and we'll actually have a second student visa season between mid-November through early January. Now, outside of those two seasons, slots are limited, and you can expect those slots to open up a few weeks before the appointments are to begin.
According to the video, they are rationing slots, only offering 1 or 2 openings per intake. Yep, you heard it right. So here's the deal. Keep your eyes open, set those reminders, and don't let this opportunity slip. And hey, I've got your back on Instagram with the latest updates, so you don't need to worry about that. But remember, time is of essence. Do not delay the process, because it might cost you to de-refer your admit to the next intake, which will take another 6 months. So make this a priority, and also if you have any questions, put it down in the comment section and I will definitely answer to them all. Also subscribe to this channel for more study abroad videos. Best of luck and keep exploring.